guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're gonna make a vegan cornbread, but we're gonna make it a little something different because you know that's how I roll. We're gonna make a pumpkin cornbread. What, girl? Yes, girl. Okay, girl. Oh, let's get into it, girl. First thing first is we need to make like a vegan buttermilk quote. So I'm gonna take 3/4 a cup of non-dairy milk. I'm using almond milk. Do whatever you want, boo. Make sure it's unsweetened. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use white vinegar. I only have apple cider vinegar on hand, so that's what I'm using. And we're gonna let this hang out for about 10 minutes. While our vegan buttermilk is vegan buttermilking, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients together. So I've got 1 cup of flour and I'm gonna add 1 cup of cornmeal. And then I'm also going to add a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt, cinnamon, and baking soda. So we're gonna put that in there and make sure these are nice and mixed together. Now in a much larger bowl, I have 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and to that I'm going to add 1/3 cup of EVOO, or extra virgin olive oil, if you will, and I'm gonna whisk this. Once that's nice and incorporated, we're gonna come over here. I have a 15-ounce can of pureed pumpkin. Now, if you live in the UK or something and you've never heard of a can of pumpkin, which I keep hearing, it's a little less than 2 cups. It's like between 1 cup and 3/4 and 2 cups. So 2 cups is totally fine, not a big deal. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna whisk these all together. Now we're gonna take our vegan buttermilk that we made, pour that in there and whisk together. And last but not least, we're gonna slowly add our dry ingredients, but we're gonna put the whisk away for now, and we're going to fold everything together because we want it to be just combined, or else that gluten is gonna build up too much and it'll be like a really thick instead of like a nice moist pumpkin cornbread. I have a lightly greased circle pan, and we're gonna go ahead and take our mixture that is just come together, and we're gonna pour it in here. And I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees of Fahrenheit, and we're gonna cook this for about, we'll bake it, I guess. Really, we ain't cooking, girl, we baking today. But we're gonna smooth this out very nicely and let it bake for about 25 to 35 minutes. Do the old toothpick trick, stick it in there after 25, see where it's at. If it needs to go in longer, keep it in longer. Like, I mean, it's just not that serious. You guys, look at this. Look at this baby. Oh, this cornbread girl. All right, I'm gonna get right into it. I got my bite ready, a little bit of butter, vegan butter. I had cornbread. That's like, that is super moist. Look at that. Was that pumpkin? Okay. I'm adding this to my Thanksgiving menu. I'm telling you that right now. Okay. A full written recipe, as you guys know, will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. And make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so you get notified when I have another recipe video coming your way. And thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll catch you all next time. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, I will read up, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.